In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files and folders in OneDrive. Whether you're trying to free up some space or simply want to get rid of old documents, knowing how to efficiently manage your files is essential. Let's dive right in and simplify your OneDrive organization. First things first, you'll need to open OneDrive in your web browser. You can do this by going to the OneDrive website and signing in with your Microsoft account. If you have the OneDrive app installed on your computer, you can also access it directly from there. Once you're signed in, you'll be greeted with all your files and folders nicely displayed. To start, let's talk about deleting a single file. Simply navigate to the file you wish to delete. Hover your mouse over it, and you should see a small checkbox appear to the left of the file name. Click on that checkbox to select the file. At the top of the screen, you'll notice a toolbar with several options. Look for the Delete option, which is usually represented by a trash bin icon, and click on it. A prompt will appear on your screen asking for confirmation. Go ahead and click Delete again to confirm your choice. And just like that, your file is sent to the recycle bin. Now, if you want to delete multiple files at once, the process is slightly different but equally straightforward. Start by navigating to the files you intend to delete. You can select multiple files by clicking the checkbox next to each one individually. Alternatively, if you want to select a range of files, click the checkbox of the first file, hold down the Shift key, and then click the checkbox of the last file you want to include in your selection. This will select all files within that range. Once you've made your selection, click the Delete icon in the toolbar at the top, and confirm your choice when prompted. Moving on to folders, if you need to delete an entire folder, find the folder in question within your OneDrive. Similar to deleting a file, hover over the folder name to see the checkbox, or click directly on the folder icon to highlight it. Click the checkbox, then navigate to the Delete option in the toolbar and click it. Confirm your choice when prompted, and your folder and all its contents will be moved to the recycle bin. Remember, deleted files and folders are not immediately erased from OneDrive. They'll be in the recycle bin for a certain period, usually 30 days, giving you a chance to recover anything deleted by mistake. To completely remove these items sooner, navigate to the recycle bin within OneDrive. Select the files or folders you wish to permanently delete, and click Delete once more, then confirm. That's it for today's tutorial. By following these steps, you can keep your OneDrive organized and clutter-free. Remember, regular maintenance is key to maintaining a clean digital workspace. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.